Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to use slicers in Microsoft Excel. So let's take one example. Here we are having a data in which registration number is in first column, name is in second column, date of birth third, graduation fourth, specialization fifth, marks of first semester in sixth column, and second semester seventh column. To activate slicer in the workbook, it is necessary that to convert the range data into the formatted table, and for this, the necessary thing is that your cursor should be anywhere in the data. Click on Insert, press Table, click OK, and now the range data has been converted into the formatted table. Insert Slicer is now on. Normally, for Slicer, we use categorical data like graduation and specialization. So activate graduation and specialization, click OK. Two slices will appear, one and two. With the help of slicer styles, we can change the color, one, and for specialization, we can also have a different color. There are more settings available for the slicer, click on this. So how many tabs we want in one column? So if I make it two columns, just see what happens. Can I change the height? Yes, I can change the height, width. Again, click on the specialization. If you want to keep the things as it is okay. Change the height. So this part is related to the button settings, and this part is related to the height and width of the entire slicer. Now see how it's working. When I click on BCom, it will display the records of only those students who have opted for BCom, BA, BCA, BBA. Now I want to find out how many students are there who have done graduation in BCom and have opted for marketing. BCom and marketing both are active together. Now, is there any way in which two buttons can be activated simultaneously? So here it is. Multi-select. Activate the multi-select on it. BCom and BSc. Now click on marketing, finance, marketing. So BCom and BSc with marketing. So there are no students BSc with marketing in finance. Yes, they are there. So similarly here also you can activate multi-select, finance and marketing. Done. To deactivate the slicers, one, click here. Two, to hide the slicer, click here. Go in slicer, go in selection pane, and one, two. You cannot see the slicers. So this was all about uh, how to use slicers in Excel workbook. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.